Ate, masipag ah. Umulit ulit.
Ayaw niyo tumigil?
Oo.
Bakit?
Humihinto, tapos tumigil. Ayan, tumigil. Yung iba mabilis. Ngayon, yung may iba matagal. No, not necessarily. Baka talagang nilalaro ba?
Pwede rin, baka pinipitik-pitik lang. O gusto ka lang ng reason. Para matakot ka ganyan. Para naman matatakot ka. Bahay mo to eh.
Ayan na naman.
Oh. Ang bait-bait. Ay, kinakausap. Bakit gusto niyo mga pag-usap?
What if they did that because that was one of the
Anong meron? Kahit ang kulit-kulit mo yata. Okay. Okay lang.
Wala ka.
Kalma ka lang. May problema ba tayo?
Kasi yung mga nandito.
Walang problema dito ah.
Kasi parang nangahamon ka pa nangahamon.
Hindi ako nangahamon. Baka lang may problema ka.
Ha?
Baka may problema siya.
Ah.
Ang alam mo gagawin ko sa mga labanis ko. Ang dami.
Oo, yun na naman.
Bilis ah.
May maikling ilaw-ilaw lang.
Ano ba yun? Ano?
Ayan.
Pupuk.
Sa? Join? Or jump?
One read.
Sino?
Ano daw?
Worried.
Ano daw?
Worried.
Worried?
Mm.
Bakit? Kanino?
Sino
Worried?
nandito?
Worried with whom?
Baho ang sipag mo ah.
With whom?
Sino to? Pwede mo sabihin pangalan mo. Parang nagtitinda lang. Ay, hindi may binigay siya unang pangalan.
Kanina nga meron.
Oo. Sino ka? Bakit ka nandito? Why are you here?
May sabi ko sa kanya may problema. Kanya worried. Worried kanino? Kanino ka worried?
Ano naman, no?
Kanino? Worried siguro.
Kanino nga? O yan. Ito, saglit lang yung ilaw na yan. Yung kanina, mahaba. Ito, saglit ah. Pero mainit eh. Pero may experiment na ako. Oh, ayan. Pinatay ko ah. Kasi dahil may electric fan pero hindi naman umaandar yung bola eh.
Worried. Worried? To whom? To whom?
Kanino ka nag-aalala? Hintayin natin siya sa dito.
Oo, hindi pa kasi dito yung ulam.
Agutom na. Ayan na naman.
Hindi kami din. Kakain na po kami
Oh.
mamaya.
Patay ang electric fan yan, ha?
Ayaw na niya magsalita.
I want to talk.
Then talk. We're asking you a question. Who's here? I want to talk daw.
Talk!
What do you want to say? Mainit na.
Mainit na.
Mainit ako man. Hangin.
Say something.
Neil.
Neil? Bakit kami luluhod?
Ano?
Neil daw. Luhod.
Ni?
Why did you come?
Because this is my home. This is our house. Why are you here?
Why you?
Why did you come here?
Hmm?
Why did you come here? Tinatanong bakit ako dito.
What?
Bakit daw ako nagpunta dito?
Kaya nga.
Ang sipag ng ilaw mo, ha?
Can you hear him?
Sinundan ka niya dito?
Who's him? I know Papa's here. Is anybody else here? Puta ka. Sige lang. Sige lang. Sipag mo, ha? Mukhang di ako matutulog ngayong gabi, ha?
Namahagat ako magpulat. Kaya ko. Ano? Ba? Kaya ko magpuyat. What's the problem, please?
Stay with me.
Nope, thank you. I am here in our house. I'll stay here, but not with you. If you want to talk, then talk.
How did you get here?
By plane. How did you get here? I rode an airplane.
Why the airplane?
I rode an airplane
By airplane.
and a car to get here.
Ano? Bakit?
Sipag, diba?
Bakit galing siya sa Canada? Kumamot siya, no?
Why? Hindi. How did you get here? Ibig sabihin, nandito
nandito
yun.
na siya.
Oo. Why are you here? Ayaw minto, oh. Kanina maiiglay lang.
Kuya, anong problema, kuya? Bakit po? She's my sister.
There's 3.
There's 3
There's-
here? What are their names?
Tapos na sa akin.
There's 3 daw. Who are they?
Who are they, kuya? Who are they? Who are they? Sino? Ayun.
Again. Ito legit to. Walang gumagalaw. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Tama po po.
OMG.
Kuya, magpatulog ka mamaya
All of a sudden, ano
Be
lang, ano?
careful.
Magkaibigan tayo.
Be careful. With what? What's happening? What's gonna happen?
Careful, bakit?
Who is here? What is your name?
I remember you.
Do you? Then what is my name then? I remember you. I remember you. Sige. Ilaw ka.
You remember her?
Shit, naalala niya ako. Ano ba ate?
Oo nga. Matagal ka na dito.
What's your name? What's your name? What is my name?
Prison.
Prison? Saan ang galing yung prison?
Ha?
Prison daw.
Person?
Hindi naman ako, ano?
Person? Person
Prison.
naman siya.
Prison. Oh, baka yun ang ibig sabihin niya dito.
Na-prison siya dito?
Oo.
Na-prison siya? Why?
Are you stuck here?
Prison?
Why are you stuck here?
Listen to me.
I am listening to you. Why are you stuck here? You answer my question. This is the first time you communicated with us. First time with me though. First time with me.
Yeah.
Joshua.
Ano?
Joshua!
Joshua? Why?
You know Joshua?
You know Joshua?
Who else is here? What are their names? If you know them. Well, what's my name? And my sister's name?
What's my name? You know me? What's my name? Buddy?
Buddy.
Sorry.
Oh, no, don't be sorry.
Oh.
We're not mad. We're not angry. Just tell us who you are.
We're just asking you, what's my name?
Nangangawit na kayo.
Heart attack. Blessed.
Heart attack. Heart attack. Blessed. Heart attack. Blessed. Did you suffer a heart attack?
Shovel.
What the heck? Heart. Blessed. Shovel. Hindi ko alam kung anong saan related yung mga ibang words na to. Shovel. You have a shovel din pero bali na. Mm.
Father.
Si Papa? Father daw eh. Heart attack. Blessed.
Dito nga siya. Tatlo nga sila. Sino yung isa?
Oh, Joshua, yung isa si Joshua is anak mo.
Worried siya kay Joshua, ganun.
Okay.
I'm close.
You're close. Where are you?
I want to talk.
Just talk. Answer our questions. You can talk.
You can talk. Say something.
Tiffany.
Tiffany. Tiffany. Oh, that's Stephanie.
Can you help me?
What do you
Why
want?
did you come?
Bad. Can I call you Bad? Bad.
Are you a girl? Or are you a boy?
You're a friendly ghost, right? You're a friendly ghost, right?
He won't leave.
He won't leave.
You won't leave. Why? Why? Why you don't want to leave?
He won't leave.
Ah,
Iba ang tinutukoy niya.
ay ba? Sino? Binili talaga ako, ma. Why? Why, oh why? Lobat na.
Hindi.
Mahuhulog yan.
Nag-alarm lang.
Mahuhulog yung cellphone.
Hindi.
Ay,
Ayun.
wala kang kasama. Kaya ito.
No.
Kaya mo?
Ha? Bakit?
Ulam.
What? No. Nahulog na nga.
Sabi sa'yo, mahuhulog yung cellphone mo.